up, but my last dig of the day, there it is, got me a nickel. Good morning. Back out here at the park today. Last week I was down in this area, right in here. Just a small area. Spent about 2 hours covering it. Picked up a couple of nickels and 6 pennies. So that was with my 10-inch coil. And I've still got it on there with my coin only settings. And I'm going to go down down here in that grassy area down there. First target here. Haven't even made it down to that other little spot yet. Well, this could be a dime. Well, we're going to dig it here. It looks like it was right on the surface, and looks like I was right. Can't rake it out, it's pretty corroded, but it was a dime for sure. I really had some mixed numbers here. I'm just curious to see what's down here. Place. Oh. I think that was it right there. Yep. I don't know what it is. Son of a, just a piece of metal or something. Oh, it was a clamp or something for a cable, I think. Well, that's a find. Okay, 29.30 here. I'd like to think that's a quarter down there, but might be a dime. Well, here we go. We'll dig it. Oh, there it is. Well, I was right. It was a quarter. I got a 12.13 here. Got to check it for those nickels. Probably a pop top, but there it is. Got pretty much a solid 13 here, so you know what that means. Pop top or a nickel. Oh, son of a gun. You guessed it. Or you know what it is. So now pop top. Yeah. Stay away from the 13s, I think. Well, I kind of gave up on that down there. I couldn't even find any good trash to dig up, so I'm crossing back up, going back up by my car, and right next to the pavement here, 2122. Might find my penny here. Let's find out. Yeah, old aluminum bottle cap. Where you at? There you are. At 24 here. I don't know what we've got here. I have found beer cans. There it is. I was just about to say. Soda pop cans. Well, there you go. Not too old of a can either. Some kind of cola. Probably one of those backfilled here. Well, I have a dime here. penny. Well, haven't had one this morning, so that's good. $24.25. Last time I called that a dime, but ended up being a penny. But I think we got something here. We'll dig it. There it is. Over down. It's a dime. $22.23. We're gonna go for a penny here. What do you think? Well, not a penny. It's I don't know, some kind of a metal cap or something. Trash, but belonged to a little screw top or something. Can't really tell. Well, let's see. I think I'll throw that in the trash bin. It was a $24.25. I'm gonna find out. There it is. Well, it's worth the dig. It was a dime. Well, this one said 19.20. Maybe a penny. Yep. Well, there it is. Looks like a shiny little penny to me. Pretty dirty, muddy. I'll clean it up later. It's definitely copper, so. Okay, got a 2021 going here. Should be a penny, huh? There it is. Yep. Yeah, it's a penny. Well, my luck's changing a little bit here. I had a pretty slow morning with just nothing, and well, it started off good with the quarter and a couple dimes, but then it slacked off for the last 45 minutes, but now it's picked back up, so rejuvenate my spirit a little bit to dig a little. Probably a penny, huh? Let's hope. Got to the end here. Oh, we'll dig it. There it is. Yeah. Be lucky on that one, huh? Yeah, it looks like it's a penny. But the signal is for a penny, so I'm gonna, I don't know, it could be a dime. It looks awful thin and small, but we'll clean it up a little bit later. It had the numbers for a penny. Okay, this one had the 19.20. There it is. I can see some copper in there. It is another penny. Pretty muddy in here. Another penny. Okay, detector was showing a 25. There it is. Now, we got another penny there. I'll wash them up, clean them up. Sometimes I can't tell. Well, there's another number in there. There it is. Yeah, looks like another. Oh, wait a minute. That might be a dime right there. I can't really see it that well, but it looks small enough. I can see a little bit of a head on there, so that's a good find there. Penny and a dime. Got a 2021 here. Just a penny. Well, I had some numbers jumping around here, and when I first dug down, I found some kind of a pole marking or something. It's got a number on it, 464.20 going here. I think I just saw it. Yep. Little tiny piece of aluminum. Okay, that's gonna be my last dig. Back to the car. This could be a quarter. Be nice to finish up on. Gravel here. There it is. Yep. And I believe it is. It's a quarter. That's a nice find. That's a good find right next to the road here. Beat up pretty bad. Well, I dug myself a hole here on a solid 13, and I really had to search this hole out here. I didn't want to turn the camera on because 13s don't usually show up, but my last dig of the day, there it is. Got me a nickel. That's the best find all day. Got one of these. Okay, had a pretty good morning out here, 2.5 hours. That spot down there that I wanted to check out beyond that red fence, that wasn't too good. I think I found a quarter and a dime there. So I switched up and came back up here, went across the creek, and just that little green area. You can see between the trees, and picked up the rest of my coins there. So all in all, didn't do too bad today. I ended up with 2 quarters, nickel, solid 13 on my last dig, just right here near the benches. 4 dimes, that's unusual to get that many dimes. Pennies, that's about normal. You know, on a good day, 6 pennies. And that's all the junk I dug up. I picked up this one here off the ground, and that can, that's all I could get out of the ground was half of it. But the rest of it's just a little piece of foam, a little piece of tin paper, and this was a little adjustment screw or something, and that is something they do with a cable or something, a crimper. So anyways, all in all, I'm pretty happy with today's turnout in 2.5 hours. So until next time we decide to come out, I might try a different park here pretty soon. This one's done real good for me, so we'll see you then. Keep looking for those solid 12s and solid 13s. Once in a while they show up.